Anti-wind-up ratchets are a useful addition for the safe and practical use of Norbar's range of hand-operated torque multipliers, particularly higher ratio versions such as 25:1 and 125:1. An anti-wind-up ratchet is designed to contain the spring effect caused by the high forces within the gears created by the difference in rotation between the input and output square drives of a high ratio multiplier. Effectively, as the input square turns 25 times for every one revolution of the output square, the anti-wind-up ratchet prevents the input square returning to its original position during tightening. The first example is fitted to the standard series of multipliers, such as this Hand Torque 525. Once the multiplier has been placed on the bolt and the reaction is secure, select the direction of the anti-wind-up ratchet using the shorter bar until the plunger locks into the forward or reverse position. Then make sure that the ratchet on the torque wrench is also operating in the correct direction. Set the torque wrench to 1/25th of the required final torque and apply the torque in the normal way. When the torque wrench signals that the torque has been achieved, the multiplier will be locked onto the bolt until the wind-up is safely released. To release the wind-up, use the torque wrench to take the load off the anti-wind-up gears, allowing the longer bar to move and transfer the wind-up energy up to the torque wrench. Do not release the torque wrench, but allow it to gradually move back under load. It is usually possible to fully release all the wind-up in one movement, causing the multiplier and reaction plate to become loose. Letting go of the release bar at any time will hold any remaining wind-up, allowing the operator to reposition the torque wrench. The second type of anti-wind-up ratchet is fitted to the Hand Torque 4 and the small diameter series HT45. The principle of operation is exactly the same. In this case, the direction and wind-up release are both controlled by a single bar. Release the wind-up by taking the load off the gears, which will then allow the release bar to move into the neutral position. Again, by holding the torque wrench, the wind-up can gradually be released and the release bar can be re-engaged at any time. Detailed instructions in the use of anti-wind-up ratchets are included in the handbook supplied with each multiplier.